People, now welcome back to our HERBAL Life show. How una dey for una area? I hope so una enjoy una weekend very well. So somebody say he dey pass through a situation of low sperm count. You understand? As in he get a low sperm count and e don be situation, e don be problem for am for some time. So he dey ask me what is the best way to take cure this low sperm count so that he go fit impregnate him wife and all of us go come jollificate. So wetin I go recommend for you wey ask this question na im be two things. One go cure any infection wey be say e dey inside your body, and the other one e go boost your energy and e go boost your sperm count. Na im be these two things. So you dey see those two things here. This one na im be bitter kola. This one na im be ginger. So these two things, just make sure say you get them for house. You dey see am so? Just make sure say you get them for house. How you go take use am? This ginger, this garlic. For you or you wey be say you never fit talk, wey be say you get low sperm count, you never fit talk, you never fit open your mouth ask anybody for solution. As you see this video so, hold this video religiously, because it go help you. And also make una dey like and share my videos because it dey help people and it dey transform people life. And when you help, God go help you. Abeg una dey like and share my videos. It will also assist me to boost this platform. So this ginger, this garlic, I say garlic, bitter kola, it go help you significantly. How you go fit use them for you will get low sperm count? What you just do in the morning when you wake up, when you wake up, first thing what you go do, get this ginger, get this ginger, just chew am, just chew part of it. Bitter kola, chew part of it. You understand? Chew part of the bitter kola, chew part of the ginger. Just get somewhere where you dey keep them safely so that any wetin dey call am insects or all these bacteria, insects like cockroaches, don't fit contaminate them. Just chew from the bitter kola. If you chew, if na half, you understand? Chew from the ginger. Some people go ask me say why I not just fit chew the full bitter kola. You see, this bitter kola, so people dey use am for diabetes, to cure what they call am, for too much blood sugar, for high blood sugar in the body. So it dey reduce sugar for body. So you not need to take am in excess. You understand? So you need to use moderation when you dey take this bitter kola. So let's proceed. So in the morning, you chew from this bitter kola, half for this bitter kola. Ginger, you chew small from inside also. Just dey do this one religiously for morning and evening. In the morning when you wake up, just chew am. After you chew this two, drink water. Just drink water. And wetin I go tell you, make sure say it be warm water. In the morning when you just wake up, just get this bitter kola, chew small from inside. This ginger, chew small from inside. This bitter kola, chew small from inside. Not chop the whole bitter kola. Just chew half from inside. Keep and store am somewhere. After you chew and finish, make sure say you get warm water. Use warm water to digest them. These two things too go help you seriously. That warm water, so it go open your body. All those blockage wey dey your body, that warm water, all those cholesterol wey dey block different things for your body, continuously they use that warm water, it go start to dey open different part of your body wey be say don't block. And this ginger, it go remove different type of infection wey dey inside your body. While this wetin they call am bitter kola, it go boost your energy, and it will improve your sperm count. And if you want even meet your wife in the evening, this bitter kola so, I think you see am so, before you even meet your wife, if you be saying in the evening, now want play that ball, take these two things. Take warm water. This thing will boost your energy and it will boost your sperm count. Just take this thing religiously, for 1 month. Just dey do and dey go for 1 month. Time dey fast. Just do am for 1 month. I tell you, you go come give us good testimony. Say God don do am for you. And make you not also forget to come this platform. Come tell us thank you. Me, I tell you 1 month. But if you use am religiously, before 1 month, this thing, if you use am well, before 1 month, some dey take a week, some dey take 2 weeks. It depends on your body and the infection wey dey inside your body. If you do am, use am well, within a short period of time, you go come give us testimony. Just go hospital, go check yourself again. You see say your sperm count, e don dey well, and before you know, your wife don get belle. Now this one I say make I show una this secret wey I don give people. Now I say make I still show una, so that all my followers and those wey not be my followers before, una go see the secret. And make una come this platform, make una come follow this platform, so that una dey get update on secret wey be say other people no wan show una. Abeg, make una dey like and share this video so that e go fit reach other people. People dey hide all these things. People dey hide all these things as you see am so, but I dey here, I dey give you for free. Abeg, make una dey share this video, make e reach that person wey be say dey go through stress, wey be say don dey marriage since nothing dey happen. Now this one I say make I show una. I go see una for another video till we meet again. Una stay blessed. Una bye bye.